Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we proudly call the best gold tutus available right now. The Century Stargirl's Sparkled Tutu Skirt. This enchanting tutu skirt is designed for little girls aged 2 to 8 years, perfect for special occasions, dance classes, or even just for fun at home. With its stunning golden hue, your little princess will feel like royalty as she twirls around in this elegant piece. But what sets this tutu apart? Let's take a closer look at its features. The Century Star Tutu is crafted from 100% nylon, featuring 3 layers of soft tulle that are not only anti-abrasion but also crinkle-proof. This means it's designed to withstand the rigors of play while still looking fabulous. Your child can run, jump, and dance freely without any discomfort. The skirt is adorned with sparkly star sequins that catch the light beautifully, making it an eye-catching addition to any outfit. The layers of tulle create a flared, fluffy silhouette that enhances its princess-like charm. With an elastic waistline, it provides a snug yet comfortable fit, ensuring that your little one can move around with ease. What makes this tutu skirt truly special is its versatility. Whether it's a birthday party, Halloween costume, dance class, or just a day of imaginative play, this tutu is the perfect choice. It's not just a costume, it's a chance for your child to express their creativity and step into a world of magic. When it comes to maintenance, parents will appreciate the easy care instructions. The tutu is machine washable in cold water and can be tumble dried on low, making it simple to keep it looking as good as new after every wear. Available in multiple colors, including a delightful gold, this tutu can match any outfit or occasion. Plus, it makes for a fantastic gift, whether it's for a birthday, Christmas, or just because. The smiles and joy it brings are priceless. In conclusion, the Century Stargirl's Sparkled Tutu Skirt stands out as the best gold tutu on the market. With its exquisite design, premium quality, and versatility for various occasions, it's sure to make any little girl feel special. If you're looking to bring a little sparkle into your child's wardrobe, this tutu is a must-have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product critiques from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.